camper project. Could be. Or it's gonna be. We'll see. Alrighty, welcome to the very beginning. This is how it looked. Plywood still on the walls, and this is the wall where I want to make a door so you can access from cabin into the box. Plywood, exactly. I want to strip that off and insulate the walls. Ceiling, I want to make extra frame on the ceiling so I can walk on the roof. And roll up doors, those ones I want to take it out. I really don't like them. I want to make a new door, and yeah, let's go.
Hey, yo, welcome to my channel. This is Ash. He's just a cameraman, don't worry. This is my channel. Today we're gonna start building the camper. It's actually for me, but he's just the builder. You know, this is my channel. It's my world. You're all just living in it. Thank you. All right, come on down to my truck. This right here is the truck that we're gonna be doing.
Yo,
Okay, listen up. This is my channel. No one wants to hear you. I'm just kidding. This is actually Robert's channel. Oh, God. So, we're getting the ceiling going. See right here.
Oh yeah, it's there. Hold on. No one wants to see all. Actually, don't film it.
This is the real life for Roberts. Alright, let's go.
8 and 2. 8, 8.5, 8 and 2.
So now what are we doing here?
We're gonna make wood.
Wood.
We're gonna cut wood. But first, we're gonna do measurements.
Okay. Is that your measurements?
Yes, it is.
Look at that. Close up. Yeah.
I need to find out here. I don't know what is in this structure. I think I'm gonna keep this one just clear. Yeah. Safety first, eh?
Yeah, he almost took his eye out, but we didn't get it on camera. He got steel in his eye. Yeah. That's what happens when you don't know nothing. Okay.
Okay. Next thing is to make a door to access the cabin. Just gonna drill 2 holes first. Let's continue this hilly-billy thing. Here, right? What are those? What is this?
What is this? Let's use it.
No, really. I really don't know how to use this properly, but I know you just put it in like this, right?
Mm-hmm.
And that's it. And you just go. And it makes this vibration. I don't understand. Why does it make vibration? What is this? That's why I used the other saw. This one maybe is faster. Let's try. Oh, it is. Wow. Oh, here we go. Hello. Wow. Ah. Yes, baby, we're builders.
Yeah, right. Hey! Finally!
Stop at some nice place and then just jump in and like, hey. But babe, if you only have the bed here,
Mm-hmm.
it's gonna be like this. And then you only stand up, right?
Yeah, it'll be a fun tunnel.
Right?
A fun one.
We can make a lot of cushions up there so we
Yeah.
don't bounce.
Bounce our heads, yeah. Oh, yeah.
That's it. See you tomorrow.